Imagine a machine so shrouded in secrecy that its very whisper sends shockwaves through Silicon Valley. A machine engineered not just to update a product line, but to completely rewrite what a laptop is allowed to do. For years, the laptop market followed a highly predictable script. A slightly faster processor here, a marginally thinner chassis there, and a battery that lasted just long enough to get you through a cross-country flight. We accepted these incremental updates because we thought we had reached the absolute peak of mobile computing. But behind closed doors, Apple was working on a radical, highly disruptive departure from the norm. A device designed to shatter the boundary between entry-level portability and elite, studio-grade performance. This is the story of the Apple MacBook Neo 2, a machine engineered with an almost obsessive attention to detail, built to aggressively challenge the status quo and fundamentally change your relationship with technology forever. To truly understand the massive engineering leap this laptop represents, we have to look at the subtle yet deep frustration brewing in the consumer tech landscape. We live in an era where everyone is a creator, a developer, a designer, or a power user in their own right. The line between casual users and hardcore professionals has completely blurred. Yet for the longest time, computer hardware forced you to choose a side. If you wanted something light, sleek, and comfortable to carry around all day, you had to settle for a machine that choked and sputtered the moment you tried to edit high-definition video or compile complex lines of code. If you demanded raw, uncompromised power, you were forced to carry a heavy, thick plastic brick with a power brick that weighed as much as a small dumbbell, running fans that sounded like a commercial jet taking off. Apple looked at this compromise and decided to completely obliterate it. They set out to build a machine with zero compromises. The moment you first see the MacBook Neo 2, your eyes are immediately drawn to a physical form factor that looks like it arrived from 5 years in the future. Apple didn't just refine the aluminum enclosure. They fundamentally revolutionized the materials science behind it. Utilizing a highly advanced, ultra-durable aerospace alloy, the chassis is unbelievably thin and shockingly light, yet it feels structurally indestructible. There is absolutely no flex, no creaking, and no vulnerability. The structural geometry has been optimized to balance perfection, allowing you to lift the lid effortlessly with a single finger, while the base remains firmly anchored to your desk. The finish introduces a deep, light-absorbing matte texture that completely resists fingerprints and smudges, ensuring that the laptop looks completely immaculate, whether you are working in a high-end corporate boardroom or a crowded local coffee shop. But the real magic of this machine, the true undeniable disruption, is found directly beneath the keyboard. The MacBook Neo 2 introduces a completely new architecture of custom Apple silicon. This isn't just an incremental update with a few extra cores tossed in to look good on a marketing spreadsheet. This chip is built on a highly advanced process that allows for an astronomical density of transistors packed into a microscopic footprint. Apple has fundamentally reimagined how a processor communicates with memory, implementing a hyper-unified memory architecture that operates at blazing fast bandwidth speeds. What this means in the real world is that the traditional concept of system lag or data bottlenecks has been completely erased. The computer doesn't just process your tasks, it anticipates them. Imagine booting up your machine and instantly opening